much for coming and for for your time to be here at our Nordica 9.8-Star rated project. This beautiful project was actually a true collaboration of Adam and Kylie's team and Scandi Group, and we actually did really thorough research in the region to pick the builder. And from first contact, Adam and Kylie just stood out. Responsiveness and all clear communication and really transparent quoting systems. They were just our go-to people to build this project.
For those of you who don't know us, Sorensen Colden Ferris, formerly known as Sorensen Colden. We're local builders, been in the area since 1988. We build locally in this region, being Foster, Taree, Port Macquarie, west out to Gloucester and Wauchope. That's sort of the area we do. We don't want to be bigger than that. We don't want to be the next McDonald Jones or anything else. We like our area. We love the mid-coast. This particular build here, we got to the point ready for interior finishes and stuff in 12 days. So, you can get to a point of lock-up really quite fast. 12 days, sorry, after the slab was poured. So a week to pour the slab, then you got 12 days of construction, but you actually get to looking like this in about 4, 5, 6 days. There's a bit of other work in battening it out for all the cladding and stuff, but as you're building it, you're putting in doors and windows as you're going, you're putting in the ceiling lines and stuff as you're going, so it actually gets to that close-up stage really fast. So compare that to a traditional granny flat, you're looking at probably that 12 days is like 2 months, maybe 3 months in a traditional built granny flat. And then our total time on this is around about 11 weeks. So from start to finish is pretty quick turnaround, 3 months. So your energy efficiency you're getting from that external wall is amazing. Then you've got your UPVC double glazed windows. So compared to a traditional build we would have in our area, which is, with the 7-star upgrade of basics has changed a little bit, but typically you've got a single glazed aluminium frame window. It's a pretty poor performing item. Your UPVC and double glazed is considerably superior than what you're achieving with an aluminium window. Some of our aluminium windows are now becoming double glazed in larger projects, but still in that smaller stuff, it's not so common. So I think there's definitely a market for the granny flats within our area, particularly in Wingham and Taree. We've got massive blocks. And it's pretty easy from a development application sense. This one got through as the CDC, approved in like under 2 weeks. So as long as you tick a few tick boxes, you've got an approval really quite fast. As opposed to going down a multi-unit residential type scenario, which the Collins and Collins boys will know about, you can burn 12 months plus in council, stormwater detention, all sorts of headaches that come into play with that multi-residential. Rental income on something like this is north of $500 a week. You compare that to a townhouse in Taree, it's the same dollars, and you've spent a whole lot less time, effort and resources to get to that same point for a return on investment.
I'm very intrigued by the construction methods and like it going together like Lego, and I just think like being able to build a home in 12 weeks is unbelievable.
It's
when
pretty
you think
amazing.
It usually takes 6 months or more at the moment, probably. I remember getting the emails and I'm like, how are they sending another update a day later? And it's like, oh, the walls are up, oh, the roof's up. And it was just like bang, 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 bang. And it's like, oh, they're already fitting out the inside and it hasn't even been 2 weeks. And yeah, it's incredible.
Although it's a 60 square metre granny flat, it feels a lot grander having the high ceilings. I'd find it very interesting to see a 2.4 ceiling, to see if it had that same floor plan, to see if it had that same grand feeling. It has that real cathedral feeling and grandeur about the high ceilings.
That's right, and it's especially important for smaller spaces like secondary dwellings and granny flats.
Yes.
You just feel like at home. It's not a cramped granny flat.
Well, coming in here today, my husband James, the designer, has said go, he's away, so he said come and check it out, because our next step in life is to build with Scandi Homes, and maybe not 60 square meters, maybe
not.
80.
Definitely.
And then have a second dwelling, but not a granny flat, but like 2 dwellings with a breezeway to house our adult/teenage children, and then to always have a home for them to come back to.